Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know, weird. I finally have glasses now. It's day 2. And what do we think? Sexy librarian, nerd, innocent until proven guilty. I don't know, I like it. It's like a whole new look for me. It's crazy. And I'm wearing this because it's March 1st. When you see it, it'll be March 1st. And it's St. Patrick's Day is one of my favorite holidays. And I'm half Irish, so there's that. But for tonight's mukbang, we have Asian inspired meal, I guess. We have some jjajangmyeon, no surprise there. And then a nice big old bowl of veggie dumplings with some of this that I got from Aldi teriyaki sauce. Just right here in a little cup. And then kind of stole this from my mom's house. She goes to Sam's Club and gets like the 48 pack of like assorted Arizona, and I just chose that one. So I'm gonna dive right in right now. So we go to the Oriental Market. Oh gosh, is my head cut off? Fudge. I don't know where the top to my candle is, so I can't use that as a stand. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. That's better, a little bit. So we go to the Oriental Market, which is like 15-20 minutes away. And then we get there and they don't have the packs of jjajangmyeon. So I'm like asking around and she's like, no more. What does that mean? Like, are you still selling them? Are you just sold out? What is it? So they had like the individual packs of instant jjajangmyeon. So I just got one of those and then the dumplings on the side. I was really trying to feast out. Like, I was also watching other videos of people eating jjajangmyeon just to like prepare myself. Like, I just get so hungry for it. I get that massive craving for jjajangmyeon. And I love the little mock meat pieces. Yo. That is so good. So I hope everybody's having an awesome day. I haven't done much today. I had to get my AC replaced, so that took up all of the morning and into the afternoon. That was fun, and didn't really do much of anything else. First bite, big bite. Give you guys a really good look of that. Like, tell me your mouth doesn't water. Like, bet you're gonna be hungry after this video. If not, and like in the middle of it, and you need to go order you some. I don't think I can remember. When's the last time we had jjajangmyeon? It's been a hot minute, that's all I know. It's so good. I usually eat 2 packs at a time, but this is like considered one, which I'm really upset about. But I wasn't trying to spend $4 per individual pack. Like, that's just ridiculous. I'll take big bites today. Of the noodles at least. I'll go into my glasses in a second. Yo, oh my gosh. This is like revolutionary. If you've not tried jjajangmyeon at this point, Like, what are you doing in your life, honestly? You need to try it. Like, Amazon even sells it. They do rack up the price a little bit. Like, to order the Jjajangmyeon that I get, at least. I'll insert a picture here if I know how. But you have to try it at least once in your life. It is so freaking good. So good. Like, look at this bullshit. This is like, I mean, it could be 2 bites, but like, there's like none left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a small bite. And then I'm gonna go into the dumplings. I'm upset. I thought we had peanut sauce to dip these in, but we don't. Very good. Thank you. I'll bite into it to show you what the inside is. If you can even see. Yo, these chopsticks though. Does that even like show it? Like, am I... There's some jjajangmyeon sauce on it though. Living for it. Ooh, this is good. Intro mango. And then Brandon got some vegetable ramen, spicy vegetable ramen that he's eating. Another big bite. I've been having the munchies lately. Oh gosh. Sorry, I was talking to Brandon. With that one bite left. That is so sad. I mean, they didn't even sell the sauce, like the black bean sauce. I would have made it myself, like added the mock meat and everything, but they don't even sell the sauce. It's okay. Sorry if you can hear the AC. It seems to be so much louder after they replaced it. Alright, so about my glasses. Picked them up on Tuesday. And I recorded that whole day, but I don't think I got that good footage. But so I picked them up and I thought they were gonna be like super difficult. Like when I put them on, I thought it would be like looking through a fishbowl or like blurry, foggy. Because they said, excuse me, it's like stuck in my throat. They said the first couple days to a week might be like a little like iffy, like I'm gonna think, you know, are these my prescription? Why do they feel so weird? Kind of thing. But they were like perfectly fine when I put them on. They just adjusted the side so it would fit my head and it wouldn't slide off. Yeah, I mean they fit really good. I could see just fine. I do notice a difference like after I'm wearing them for a little bit. Like when I take them off, it's a lot different. Like my eyes kind of go out of focus. They're not blurry when I take them off, but it kind of feels like they're doing their own thing. So they're definitely helping already. And I'm happy I have them. I love the way I look. I was scared at first. Like I said, I'm like, I didn't want to be dependent on them. And fortunately, the optometrist said that it's going to help strengthen my eyes, if anything. And I'm sure it's not gonna be a forever thing, so. Gosh. I know how to use chopsticks, people, I promise. There we go. It kind of feels weird like adjusting them, like I'm such a little nerd, you know? I love it. It's so good. I also have some green tea because my stomach was hurting me earlier, so Brandon made me some. Yummy. So okay, so I want to do some like fun videos in the near future, like challenges or something like that. But you guys are asking me to do like challenge videos that require me like spitting up or throwing up, and I don't do things like that. Like drink a gallon of milk, even if it's plant milk, almond milk or whatever, like no. Sprite and banana. Like I've seen way too many videos, or the Coke and Mentos, I've seen way too many videos of people throwing up. And that's disgusting to me. Like I just can't, I can't throw up. So if you have any other ideas that doesn't involve me A, farting, or B, spitting up / throwing up, you know, let me know. I was thinking about like doing a slime video, like first time making slime, because I've never made it before. I don't even know the steps on how to make them, but I thought that would be cool. I know kids are nowadays, I should say nowadays, kids are like taking over YouTube. As in like viewers. I know there's a lot of young viewers. So like if you're here, tell me what you would want to see. Like would you want to see stuff like that? Like slime, or eating challenges. Keep in mind I'm vegan. I'm sure you could see it on my page everywhere. On my videos. I don't eat animals, animal products, none of that. But yeah, I just want to do some like cool stuff. No? How crazy do I look in this? How crazy is this? Like, not only is this your first time seeing me with glasses, but like, what the? I was thinking about doing another ASMR video. I did one like a couple months ago that I thought was like half-assed, but I want to do it again. Oh, onion. What do you think about me doing like ASMR, or maybe not even ASMR, just like mukbang of me eating pickles? I love pickles for starters, the Clausen brand specifically, because those are like dill pickles, like the light green, fucking amazing pickles. And I also saw what's her name? ASMR the Chew. Is that the one who's famous for like doing that ASMR jar of Clausen pickles? I was watching her video and that just made me so in the mood to have some. So would you guys want to like to see me like just mukbang a jar of pickles, like just chilling here talking to y'all eating a jar of pickles? Or do you like ASMR? I'm not really sure how ASMR and burping would go together. But these are chewy. They're so flavorful though. Sorry. Got a little bit of the Jjajangmyeon left on the plate. I'm just gonna like dip the dumplings into the sauce. Why can't I like, I definitely don't hold chopsticks like a regular person, but that's because I don't write like a regular person. If you look on like chopsticks, like the disposable ones, the directions on how to use it, or the instructions, it says like for one of them, hold it like you would hold a pencil, which I guess would be like this. But I hold my pencil like this. So like, is that how you want me to eat it? Let's see. Oh hell no. No. I was wondering, like, how am I burping? I'm not even, like, drinking soda. I had a few sips of the Dr. Zevia soda earlier, but that was, like, 4 or 5 hours ago. All right, down to 2 dumplings. I was considering also making some of the spicy vegetable noodles that Brandon's eating. Well, so good. My initial plan was to fill this plate up with jjajangmyeon and eat that. But you do what you can, you know? Alright. Last one, I'm just gonna like dip it into the jjajangmyeon sauce. Yum. Wow. So bright right now. Surprisingly, I'm so full. I didn't think I'd be. Wow. That's all. What if I dim it? Dim it a little bit. Looks so weird. So tell me what you guys think about the new glasses. These are Ray-Bans, and I know the lenses are like the thinnest and the best quality kind of lens that you can get, because I wasn't taking any chances. I'm like, whatever, I'll do that. I'll get the warranty or insurance, whatever. So they're like super lightweight and flimsy, but not in a bad way. And yeah, the new and improved Skyler. This is really itchy, not gonna lie. My mom got it for me, and a bunch of other St. Patty's Day stuff from Dollar Tree. But yeah, I think that does it for this video. Was my battery at 55 and it's been 25 minutes? Okay. Sorry I didn't chit chat too much today with you guys. I was kind of just focused on eating, because I love jjajangmyeon and those dumplings were really good too. So I hope you guys like this video. I have a couple others in mind, but like I said, just let me know down below, like, if you'd want to see challenges, like eating challenges. I could do like a couple videos with my brother, like spicy noodle challenge, even though I'm not that good with spice, but do that. That would be cool if we did like a burping video together. Like, I'm sure he would beat me, if anything, like with downing a liter of soda or something, because he drinks soda a lot. But yeah, just like fun videos like that. Like I said, no burping, or yes, burping. No throw up, no spit up, no farting, duh. But anything else, it's kind of like open game, you know? Anybody's game. And leave it down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continued support, and I will see you guys in a couple of days for my next video. Bye.